al-Adha is being celebrated on Saturday with religious zeal and fervor across Pakistan. Afghanistan to release additional 500 Taliban prisoners to show goodwill. US President Donald Trump said he will ban social media app TikTok from the country as American authorities have raised concern the service could be a tool for Chinese intelligence. British Pakistani appointed as a member of the House of Lords. In India, 10 people have died after drinking sanitizer due to the closure of liquor stores on account of coronavirus restrictions. Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Bajwa called Pakistan Army and the People Liberation Army the key components of Pakistan-China strategic relations.